Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. And today we're going for a test drive in a 2003 Mustang Cobra. This is a Terminator, a supercharger under the hood. Should be a good little test drive. Check out our website, maplemotors.com, for close to 100 detailed pictures. We also have financing and shipping information. Hit that subscribe button for daily content. See all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. All right, guys, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check the interior out before we take off here. Interior's pretty clean. We'll leave the top up the first portion of the test drive video, and we'll drop it on the way back after we do that walk around. Just 2-part videos every one of these. 83,000 miles. Sounds wicked. See if our AC works. AC's cold, guys. All our gauges are coming up. Got an aftermarket radio down here. We got traction control. Let's hit the road. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to take off here. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this, I will let you know in this video. That's why I do these videos. Speedometer's coming up, our tach's working. Fuel pressure gauge is coming up as well. Car pulls very strong. Brakes feel good, it's nice and straight. It's not pulling to the left or right. I mean, as soon as I turn, nice tight steering. Don't take any time to get some speed on this car. Nice and smooth. Shifter. I like how it clicks into gear every time too. This would be a 6-speed car. Guys, we're going to go in this parking lot here. We're going to go ahead and do some outside shots. Let you see what it looks like from the outside, and we'll continue this test drive. I'm also going to do a full walk around description video of the paint flaws. Let you check out the interior some more. And and give you some undercarriage shots. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road here. Hopefully I can get out of this spot. Probably not the best spot for me to come. One little thing I missed in my walk around, there's a tiny chip right here in the center of the windshield. Couldn't see it from the outside, but now that I'm sitting in here, it's like right in front of your face. Car here runs awesome. It's nice and smooth, plenty fast. Sounds awesome. Speed bump, nice and smooth. All the gauges are reading good levels. Oil pressure's up above halfway. Engine temp's dead center. This car runs great. Oh dang, we're gonna stop down here at Brian's for a second. He's got some cool cars hanging out in his parking lot today. You guys, check this out. So I don't know if y'all seen the lifted Escalade. Look at that one. Woo-wee. Brian's Motorsports, guys, definitely go follow them. They got it going on down here. That Lexus. I seen that the other day driving around town. But he's got an awesome showroom now. You definitely want to check that out. That's briansmotorsports.com, guys. We're gonna head on back to the lot. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, check out maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures, finance options, and shipping information. You can also see all of our inventory. We post it every single day. And if you want to see the walk around video of that Mustang, go ahead and wait till the last 30 seconds of this one. It'll pop up. I'm gonna grab some other cars, do some more videos. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.